I'm about to make my breakfast omelet, so this is basically how I do it. With my mixture there, I add some garlic salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, coconut oil, and olive oil with 2 eggs. I've already put my mixture in there. And I'll put my 2 eggs in there. You can put 2, 3, however many you want. And then cook it in the rice cooker. So that's what it looks like, all mixed up. So I'll just put it in the regular rice cooker, and yep, that's it. The omelet is all done. So I'm just gonna get a spoon and stir it up and enjoy it. I added this hot sauce to it. I like my food spicy. That's it. Very, very delicious.